Benro's combined the feature-packed BV6H Plus fluid head with our fastest video tripod yet. Introducing the new Lightning Lock system from Benro. Our Lightning Lock tandem leg tripods are designed to extend both leg sections with the flip of just a single leg lock. They come in kit form with the BV6H Plus fluid head or sticks only if you already have a Benro 75mm video head that you love. These are a great match for larger camera kits supporting over 13 pounds. It's got a unique side-loading top clamp that with the flip of these tabs can also accept ARCA-compatible camera plates. It has 4-step pan drag, 4-step tilt drag, and 8 steps of counterbalance. The tripod has a mid-spreader to get a wider footprint for more stability. You can also use the optional SP06 floor spreader from Benro for even more stability in studio. And you can remove the rubber foot pads to plant down in the ground with the spike feet. They come in both aluminum and carbon fiber and fold up tight. When your shoot's wrapped up, zip it into the included carry case and you're good to go.